Hey guys, in this demo video, we're going to show you how to create a WhatsApp AI chatbot. As you guys probably know, HitlChat allows you to connect two of the world's largest bot building platforms to WhatsApp. And those two are namely BotPress as well as VoiceFlow. Both very powerful bot building platforms. You can decide which one you would like to use. So in this particular demo, we're going to go with building an AI chatbot within BotPress and then connecting that to WhatsApp by simply scanning a QR code on your mobile phone. So first things first, head over to botpress.com. If you don't have an account already, just click Get Started for free. Takes about 20 seconds to sign up, very quick and easy. Once you've actually logged in, you'll immediately get prompted to set up your AI chatbot. So let's go through these steps. I'm going to give the chatbot a name, test WhatsApp chatbot, hit next. I can choose the type of chatbot, so I'm going to say AI assistant, next. Now you want to give the bot a prompt, right? So this is going to describe its personality and what it actually needs to do. So I'm going to give it a very basic prompt. So you can either get a description from a website or you can do a description from plain text that you can paste in. So I'm just going to paste in, you are a HitlChat customer support assistant. Answer queries about features, pricing, integrations, and setup. Be helpful and professional. Cool. You guys can obviously make this as long and detailed as you want. Next. This is a very important step, guys. This is where we actually specify the knowledge or data source for the chatbot. So if I want my chatbot to be able to respond to any content on the HitlChat website, I can simply copy the HitlChat URL. I can paste that in here and hit Discover URLs. So it's going to go and find every single page on the HitlChat website. So I can go here and expand, and I can now go and select whichever pages I want the chatbot to be aware of. Once I've selected my pages, I can go train agent. I can also upload files as well as text. So I'll hit train agent. Okay, so this process does take a minute or two, but once you see that your bot is ready, you're ready to continue. You can even test the bot on the left-hand side, but in the interest of time, we're going to continue. Right, so now your chatbot is set up. Now we need to connect it to HitlChat. So let's go back over to HitlChat, and we're going to select BotPress. Next. Now, I'm going to select QR code connection to connect to WhatsApp. There are two other options here, and that is to use the WhatsApp Business API. We won't get into that in this video, but if you guys want to send bulk WhatsApp campaigns at large scale, then we highly recommend rather using the WhatsApp Business API because that's what it's designed for. You'll see that when I click QR code connection, there's a disclaimer here because WhatsApp, in other words, Meta, does not actually support automating connections to WhatsApp servers using QR code connections. So this is just a disclaimer. Use at your own risk. Don't abuse it. I'm going to click I agree. Next. Okay, so now it's as simple as just scanning the QR code. You'll do this obviously using the WhatsApp mobile app on your phone. We can see that we've got a successful connection. You can send a test message to your number here to make sure it's working, as well as you can get someone else to send a message to yourself and it should appear here. And that's how you know your connection is successful. However, if you see this green status here, it means that everything is good to go. So I'm going to click next. And now we need to configure the BotPress integration. So first we need a BotPress personal access token. So we're going to go back to BotPress and we're going to click on the top right on our profile icon. We're going to go account settings. We're going to click on access tokens and generate new token. Give it a name, WhatsApp test bot. You can give this whatever you want. Generate token. It's generated us a token, so I'm just going to hover over here and click to copy, go back to HitlChat. I'm going to paste it in here. And then we also need to get the BotPress messaging API URL. So I'm going to go back to BotPress. And now I'm going to click on my workspace over here, Dale Pern's workspace. You can see my bot over here that we created initially using the steps, using the wizard. Right? I'm going to edit in Studio. Right. From here, this is the home page for your bot. If you look at the top left, you'll see a workflows icon. If you click workflows, you'll actually be able to see the bot that was created. So you can actually click on this node and it'll actually show you the prompt that was created in the initial setup wizard that you've already been through. Okay, but now let's connect this bot to HitlChat. So in the top right, you're going to click Explore Hub. You're going to now search for messaging and click on Messaging API. You're going to install it. It's going to generate this webhook for you. You're going to click Copy, go back to HitlChat, and that's what you're going to put into this field here. Okay. Lastly, HitlChat has generated this webhook URL for you. So you need to copy this, go back into BotPress, and you're going to paste it into this text box here. You can now save configuration. Make sure that configuration saves successfully, and you can close. Go back to HitlChat. You can click Save. You can see that our number is now connected successfully. The connection type is QR code. We have one last very important step, and that is to go and publish our bot. Okay, so it's time for us to quickly test the bot. So I'm going to go into the HitlChat inbox. On the left-hand side here, I'm going to act as the customer, and I'm going to send a message to our bot. Hey there. Now what you'll notice is I can see the conversation happening live in front of me within the HitlChat inbox. So me as the agent, I can watch exactly what's happening. And if I really wanted to, I could jump in and start having a one-to-one conversation with the customer directly. There we can see the bot's just responded to us, and the bot is working. Enjoy.